Absolutely no problem. 100% I myself felt I have quashed all this, but not when the payment is to go to the farmers. What is the total due now?
17 lakhs and not.
Yes, all right.
He made reference.
let me learn
And you said you have no money in the company.
My lord, the respondent number 2,
So we'll vacate the interim or let investigation go on.
Yes.
the charge sheet is filed, my lord.
Sir, let the trial go on.
Let it.
My lord,
Or file discharge.
my lord, my lord,
Sir, if,
the respondent number 2.
who are you, sir?
My lord, I am the director. I was
You have procured milk, correct?
I have procured milk, my lord. On the
Have you
last date of
procured milk
hearing,
or not?
on the last date of hearing, my lord, a submission was made. In the year 2019, the subject agreement was entered into. Thereafter, they have supplied milk, and right from the inception of the transaction,
Come on, merits. Yes.
Lord, the
Come on,
petitioners,
merits.
the petitioners, my lord, are the directors of one Mrs. Banger Private Tech.
What private?
Banger BANGR, my lord, Banger Tech Private Limited Company.
Bangor Tech Private Limited.
So it had developed a mobile application, my lord,
Hmm.
to supply milk and milk products
To whom?
to the customers, my lord, online.
It's an app, is it? Or-
Yes.
App.
App based.
It's an app. For that purpose, my lord, right from 2016, they have been transacting with the respondent number 2 complainant, my lord, which is also a company.
Who is the complainant?
Complainant is the authorized person of the company, Eden Creamery Private Limited.
Eden Creamery. All right.
My lord,
Yes.
right from 2016, we have procured milk. We have paid them. But in 2019, my lord, we had relied on a certain omnivore investments, which had stopped the investments, on account of which we suffered loss. 17 lakh is due. The matter is pending before NCLT. But a check given, it was dishonored. Immediately, this subject complaint came to be filed, alleging cheating, 420. 420 is the only offense. The matter is still pending before the NCLT. The amount due is 17 lakh.
How do you demonstrate that you have not paid to the farmers? How do you demonstrate?
My lord, they have not paid a single amount, my lord, admittedly.
No, true. How do you demonstrate that you have procured it from the farmers?
Yes.
And you are due to them.
My lord, your lordship can look at their paper book, my lord, 84, page
Page.
number 84. My lord. That is an email that I have addressed. Lordship
saying
finds
what?
that, my lord? Yes.
As on today, things are out of control in a desperate situation.
At my other page, that is, dear Ibrahim and Akash, I would like to inform you that the agreed payment terms has not been honored multiple times. It is a breach of agreement. Given below, the payment of rupees 9,84,000 is overdue. After discussion, the check was dishonored for stop payment, my lord. The next paragraph. We understand there are some challenges in business, and considering those challenges in our association, we have been considered and waited for so long. And even as I write, we don't have any clarity on the payment. I would like to inform you that these payments go to farmers and their livelihood depends on this. In spite of not receiving payments from you, and we have done payments to farmers for last 2 months from our personal funds. As on today, things are out of our control and we are in desperate situation. Eden is a registered member of MSME. We need to declare payment receivables and payables, Government of India, every quarter. Situation is desperate and will have ripple effect on our staff and farmers. Hence, request you to clean our overdue payments immediately without further delay.
I would only submit this, my lord. Right from 2016, we have been transacting with them.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
But I have spoken with my client. He says there's no money in the company. The matter is before NCLT.
Then no problem. We file discharge application.
My lord,
We'll answer it.
my lord, I may be permitted to submit this. Right
Yes.
from 2016, they've been transacting, my lord. Crores of rupees have been paid.
Sir, I am only on farmers' dues. If it is not paid,
My lord,
you are hitting the
there are
farmer.
absolutely no materials before this.
ಹೇಳಿದ
My lord,
ಮೇಲೆ
to
ಇದರ
come to-
communication is
My lord,
here,
They've
sir.
stated,
Communication is here.
my lord, they've stated, my lord, we do not know if they've
No,
procured
no,
from
if
the
you do
farmers.
not know,
Their
then
website says, my lord,
let it be
my lord,
tried.
their website says,
There are email communication.
ಅದೇ email ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes.
83, he admitted.
A page.
83, my lord.
Where is the admission?
At the outset, let me apologize for the current situation and would like to assure you that we will align ourselves with your expectation as of. We will clear the payment.
Next
as
week
possible.
and resume services of our customers as they swear aid and do not want to disappoint them. So, yes, sir. This is in what? 1st September
Yes,
2019.
yes.
my lord, right from 2016.
It's too late in the day for you to contend all this.
My lord,
Anything
let
else?
my
sir?
learned friend refute the fact that I have not been transacting with them from
No problem. He's not saying that at all.
My lord, your lordships have held and Supreme Court has held, my lord, in Ketan of decisions 420.
Absolutely no problem. 100% I myself felt I have quashed all this, but not when the payment is to go to the farmers.
In
Okay,
that case,
on
my lord, in
case
that
to
case,
case
my lord, in
basis,
that
sir.
case, my lord, let my learned friend submit what is the due and insofar as the
You have
subject
admitted
transaction.
whatever you have admitted, sir, here. What is the total due now?
17 lakhs and not.
Ah, yes, all right.
He made reference.
let me
and-
learn
And you said you have no money in the company,
Yeah.
whether it is 1 rupee or 17 lakhs, why are you
Learned
bothered?
friend, my lord, produce a single piece of document that insofar as subject
Your
transaction is
admission,
concerned,
sir, what single piece of document?
my lord, that the amount is
Your
still due to
admission.
the farmers, my lord.
Sir, your admission.
My lord, I am permitted to place on record certain documents, my
No
lord.
problem. sir.
Where-
Your admission here, place everything in the trial.
My lord, I'll
Or
talk
you
to my
filed
client, my
discharge.
lord, a week's time may be granted.
No, yes, not it. Not
Right
it.
from 2016, I've been
No, sir,
transacting
I
with
will
them, my
not.
lord, I've paid, my lord, I did not have the,
I
my lord,
tell you, when it comes to a poor man or a farmer, I will not permit all this to
my
happen.
lord, my lord, let me submit this, my lord. If farmers cannot file a complaint as against them alleging 420, they cannot maintain, my lord, a complaint.
No,
such
don't
as
worry
this.
about that, sir. You clean your house first. Don't worry about that.
My lord, 420 is clearly not attracted.
Not attracted.
Right from
I accept not attracted, but I will dismiss it. No, sir, definitely. Dues of farmers you can't take. You,
I have,
Sir,
there's
don't-
no
don't
access
hit
to
on
me
the
and the
farmer's
farmers.
stomach,
My lord,
sir.
it's a commercial entity, my
No,
lord, the
no,
company.
nothing.
We do not know if they have procured the milk from the farmers. There is no
This-
material place.
Seriously.
How do I have?
Too late in the day.
26
My lord,
house
my lord,
liters
their
of milk,
website
my
says,
lord.
their website says that they have their own farm. They
Yes,
miss,
sir.
my lord, there are no
No
materials.
problems. Anything else, sir?
There are no materials, my
The
lord.
petitioner. Ashana?
I am permitted to file discharge, my lord.
Yes.
Yes.
Arguing the matter after for a length. Very RR, if this was a 2 crore or 3 crore business transaction, I would have definitely held that 420 is
The
not
respondent
attractive.
number 2 is a company, not an individual
Oh,
or a
no,
farmer, my lord.
No, sir.
And there are no materials on
Farmer or a
record to
poor
show
man
that they have
should
procured
not
milk
be
from
hit,
farmers,
sir.
my lord.
Sir, big people can sustain litigation, not these people. Why they have not complained against this company? They can't sustain litigation.
Yes.
That's why they have not complained.
That
Yeah, don't
apart-
take advantage of a farmer not complaining, sir.
Correct, my lord.
Yes.
They have not placed any materials to show
What, your admission?
Yes.
that is not,
Yeah, sir.
that is my email, right, my lord?
Yeah.
Another. That is in
An
the air,
email,
is it?
an email. It is not that,
Then-
it's not my email.
Then what, sir?
And I've been transacting with
Oh,
them
no.
2016 and I've paid crores of rupees. Only 17 lakh is due because I suffered loss in business, my lord. They cannot drag me to.
Sir, a poor man who cannot approach the court or file cases against this company and bear the brunt of litigation. The company is here saying that they have procured milk from a farmer. Should they not pay the farmers?
I have transacted with them. I have no
You
access to the
have
farmers.
several disputes with them,
I do
sir.
not know how they procure milk, my lord.
Arre, how they procure
No,
milk?
I have a transaction
What do
with
you
them.
mean how they procure milk?
I do not my lord, I have no transaction with the farmers.
Exactly, you have a transaction with this company with,
The company, my lord,
so what?
the company
Oh,
does not
no,
know as to how they
no.
procure. My lord, they might procure milk from another commercial entity.
If there was,
We do not know.
arre, milk doesn't come from air, sir.
Ultimately, my lord, that should find place in the complaint, my
No.
lord. They have not.
Not
submitted
the complaint, there is an email. You have admitted that, yes, you are responsible for such a situation of not paying the money. What else do you require, Pallav?
That I have
What else do you
paid
require? Tell me.
absolutely no money in the company. They've come
That you file
completely
discharge.
bankrupt. And I'm permitted to file discharge.
That's better, yes. Otherwise, you'll have to go to Delhi. Yes.
Reserved.
Reserved, no, dismissed. Dissolved.
Much of
Disposed. Liberty to file
Yes.
discharge.
Yes.
Disposed, liberty to file discharge, yes. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹಾ ಅದೇನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರು
They have not paid the amount. Not, I
Not
have
paid,
already
huh?
produced not the sale deed.